morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same or very similar meaning. They need to be the same part of speech. Example: the parts of speech, adjective, in the word is sad. The synonym of sad is unhappy. Verb or action word, cry. The synonym for cry is weep. And noun, child. The synonym for child is kid. And adverb, sadly, the synonym is unhappily. Another example of synonyms. We are singing a new song in chorus. The choir traveled to Asia to sing at the opera house. The word chorus and choir are synonyms. The synonyms of invisible are hidden. Another example of synonyms. We used flames to toast marshmallows. The blaze was so hot we could not get close to put it out. The word flames and blaze are synonyms. Another example of synonyms are situations and conditions. Conditions and situation are both synonymous with each other. We go now to the meaning of antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words which mean the exact opposite of each other. Examples of antonyms: calm and dismayed. Calm and dismayed are opposite with each other. Another example of antonyms: the hard rocks were by the beach. The pillow was soft. Soft and hard are opposite. And another example: the bus goes speedily. The turtle is plodding. Speedily and plodding are opposite with each other. Thank you for listening, grade 5. God bless. See you again next time.